What if I told you that the miracle drug everyone is using to shed pounds has a hidden price tag? A price that is not just about the $1,000 monthly cost, but a fundamental change in how your body functions forever. Right now, millions are chasing the Ozempic glow, but behind the scenes, doctors are seeing something they did not expect: muscle wasting. The Ozempic phase had a terrifying rebound effect that traps user in a lifelong cycle. Today we are peeling back the marketing layers to reveal the dirty secret behind Ozempic weight loss and why your dream body might actually be a health nightmare in disguise. If you are thinking about starting or know someone who is, you cannot afford to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am RN Aman, and here we deep dive into the science of health to help you separate the hype from the hard truths. This video is for anyone who is struggling with weight loss, who feels like they have finally found a magic pill. By the end of this deep dive, you will understand exactly how this drug rewires your brain, the metabolic debt you are racking up, and the one thing Big Pharma is not emphasizing enough. Stick around until the end because I will share how to protect your metabolism if you do take this path. We see the numbers on the scale dropping 10, 20, 50 pounds. But here is the question: what exactly are you losing? Most people assume it is pure body fat. They are wrong. The first dirty secret is sarcopenia or rapid muscle wasting. In clinical trials, up to 40% of the weight lost on drugs like Ozempic comes from lean muscle mass, not fat. Muscle is your metabolic engine. When you lose it, your metabolism craters. You are not just getting thinner, you are becoming skinny fat from the inside out, making it nearly impossible to maintain that weight later. But the loss of muscle is just the physical surface. The real dirty part is what is happening to your brain. Have you heard people say they forget to eat or that the food noise simply vanished? It sounds like a superpower. But what happens when the signal goes silent? Ozempic mimics a hormone called GLP, one that tells your brain you are full. It essentially puts a muffler on your survival instincts. The secret here is anhedonia, the loss of pleasure. For many, it does not just stop food cravings, it can dampen the joy of you feel from everything. Furthermore, because you are not learning how to manage hunger, you are outsourcing your willpower to a chemical. You are not curing the root cause. You are just putting a silencer on it. And that silencer, it comes with a rebound effect. Is Ozempic a reset button or a life sentence? The data on what happens when you stop is haunting. Study shows that once users stop the injection, a vast majority regain two-thirds of the weight within a year. Why? Because your body's set point has not changed, but the muscle that burns calorie is gone. You are returning to old habits with a slower metabolism than when you started. This is the dirty secret the industry loves. You become a lifelong subscriber to the drug just to stay at your new weight. I would want to pause for a second. Have any of you tried these medications? Drop a comment below. I am reading them all to understand the real world impact. And if this is helping you, hit the like button so more people see the truth. Now back to the point. Now, why does the skin sag? Why are people reporting stomach paralysis? It all comes down to the how the drug slows time. Ozempic works by gastric emptying, slowing down how fast food leaves your stomach. In some cases, this leads to gastroparesis, where food literally sits in the rots in the gut, and the Ozempic face the hollow edged look. That is the result of a rapid volume loss in the face. It's a visual marker of systemic malnutrition. Your body is in a starvation state. Even if the scale says you are overweight, you summarize Ozempic is not cheating, but it is a high stakes trade. You are trading muscle for a lower scale weight. You are trading natural signals for a chemical silencer. The dirty secret is that the drugs works too well at making you eat less, but it does nothing to help you live better once the needle is out. If you want to lose weight healthily, focus on protein first, nutrition, lift heavy things to protect your muscles. So, you have to improve your diet, your nutrition, okay? And you have to lift heavy weights, you have to do high intensity workout. So, that is what it is. So, thank you for watching. Remember, your health is an investment, not a shortcut. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.